When architects work on complex BIM projects, it's essential that they can instantly find, identify, select, and zoom into any building element across all views to select the element they need. Use Archicad's multiple features and commands to easily find and select elements. Show selection or marquee in 3D. Show all in 3D. Find and select. Filter and cut elements in 3D. 3D cutaway. Keep track of selected elements when switching between 2D and 3D views without having to reselect them thanks to new and improved commands. In this example, we'll check the selected opening in 3D. Right-click on it and activate the Select in 3D command. The 3D window keeps the element selected. Control element visibility and speed up your workflow when working with overlapping elements in 3D by hiding selected elements. This will make other items more visible without hiding their layers or modifying layer combinations. Simply right-click on the element you want to hide and choose the Hide Selection command. Save this custom view for later if you want. Now let's select a pipe and use the Select on Floor Plan command. The floor plan window instantly shows a close-up of the selected element in its environment. Use the Show All command to unhide the hidden elements and return to the original 3D view. Use this functionality in sections, elevations, and interior elevations as well. Track selected elements in any view, 3D or floor plan. Save time and navigate more easily between views and use multiple, flexible options to control element visibility. To learn more about Archicad, visit graphisoft.com.